Well, good morning. Welcome back to the shop. It's great to see you. And what it looks like I'm doing here today is rewiring this lamp socket. But in reality, that's not what I'm doing at all. What I'm really doing is procrastinating because I've got a bigger project in mind today. And that is to declutter my workshop. No, not this workshop, my basement workshop, which I have not shown you before. And it's quite a mess. It's full of 20 years of just junk and detritus and things to the point where I can't even work down there anymore. So, you know, I can't put it off any longer. I guess I'm just going to have to go down there and do it. And if you want to join me, let me go show you what we've got in store. So let's go take a look. All right, are you ready? This is a little embarrassing for me, but here it is in all its wondrous glory. This is my basement workshop. We're going to go through it in a second, but this is my workshop before I'd set up the workshop upstairs in the garage. It wasn't clean before. It's even worse now. These lights don't work. Got one here. I've got, one back here. And so the first thing I'm going to do is to fix those lights with this light, and I've got a couple of other lights here that I've just stored down here. These lights I picked up on my Tuesday Trash Day Treasure Find. I'll put a link in the description of that video so you can see that. But they work, and so I'm going to replace this and those down there with these here. So that's the first thing we need to do so that we can we can see what we're looking at. And that's what I'm going to get started with now. And then we'll talk about what we're going to get rid of here, which is pretty much everything. Now, I'm not actually going to show the replacement of these lights for a couple of reasons. Number one, they are hardwired in. So I'm going to have to turn off the electricity and be working at even less light. So you're not going to be able to really see what I'm doing. And number two, this isn't really about that. This is a decluttering video. So I want to spend my time talking about the decluttering process. And as many of you know, if you've gone through a decluttering process, getting started is the hard part. So for me, maybe a little bit more procrastination in replacing these lights, but I have to see what I'm getting at, and I really can't see down here that well with these lights not working. So the first thing is to replace these lights. I'll be back in a second. Well, okay, after a couple of hours, we got those lights replaced, and we have a little bit more light in here to see what's going on. Let's take a little bit of a tour of the place, and we'll put a plan together, start cleaning this out, getting rid of a bunch of this stuff, and straightening everything else up. So this is actually more of a utility room than an actual proper workshop. The previous owner had walled this off. The other side here is a finished basement, and so this is really just where the furnace is, and he built a couple of shelving units, put some other shelves up here to act as sort of a storage area. And it's really something, there was a bench here. I didn't make this bench, this was here, so I just used it. But basically it was just useful for fixing small things. Doing a project of any size at all just wasn't going to work down here. It's nice to have this down here for doing those type of things, but as you can see, it has become quite the repository for just clutter and junk, and it needs to be cleaned out. And we've got a bunch of stuff that we no longer use or need, that we need to put out on the curb or find another home for. So let's take a quick tour. Just have some bar clamps here, some paint cans. So we're going to start here. We're going to clean up the top of the bench just to give us a workspace to work off of. Clean that up, and then we're going to dig into this stuff here, see what we've got. I'm not real sure what we have. I haven't been into this in a while. We'll clean all this stuff up and just give ourselves a little bit of space to work. Then we're just going to work our way down through here. We've got some Christmas ornaments and some stuff in some bins there that we're probably going to keep. I'm not sure about this stuff here. I have no idea what's back here. Looks like some kids' toys, maybe some old Easter stuff. Not exactly sure, but we're going to dig into this. We're just going to walk our way through this, cleaning this stuff out. We've got some old stuff here, and just work our way around. We got this shelf here that's just sort of, odds and ends. This, by the way, is just a toy. It's just an old airsoft we got for the kids. Probably used it all about 15 minutes and then hung it up here. I don't even think it even works anymore. So please, don't get excited. Call the ATF on me. It's just a toy. So we just need to clean this up and make sense of that. Either use it or lose it is really what it comes down to. I'm going to use the same parameters that I used in the shed outside. If you followed that video, if you haven't seen that, I'll put a link in the description. But my two rules are basically, if I can't remember the last time I used something and I can't think of the next time I might use something, it goes in the trash. And that really helps me get rid of a bunch of stuff, because I tend to want to hold on to things, as you can tell here, just in case I might need it. But let's start by cleaning the top of this off and then getting into these shelves down here, and then we'll work our way around the room and back here. So let's go. First thing I'm going to do is empty this garbage out. It happens to be garbage day today, and that's really what I'm trying to get ahead of, is to get some of this stuff out on the curb so they take it away today. The rest of it will have to wait till next week, but let's at least get this out so I can start throwing some of the stuff that's obviously garbage out. Things like this. I mean, why do I keep that? I don't know. Oof. 4/14/07, so this is almost 20 years old, 19 years old in 07. Same thing with that, 4/14/07. God, who knows how long this has been sitting there. This is all latex paint. This is an eggshell for one of the kids' rooms that I did when we first moved in 20 years ago, so I'm going to get rid of that. And this stuff is probably no good, so all this stuff goes out to the trash. Boy, it's funny how an old can of paint can really bring back some memories. I recall the night before we moved into this house, and I was so excited and proud that we were going to be able to live in this house, which was a serious upgrade for us. And I came out here and spent pretty much all night painting the kids' rooms before we moved their furniture in the next day. They were just little kids, and they were just as excited as we were. And one of the reasons that I'm doing this decluttering is we're at a point in our lives now where we're actually looking to downsize at some point in the next 5 or 6 years anyhow. Not just yet. Carburetor to an old chainsaw. I have no idea why I was keeping that around. So there, 13/16. Missing some pieces there, so we got to see if we can't find those. Put that there. It's sitting there for 10 years. Don't need those. Garbage. Found them. So now all my Craftsman tools are in place. Love it. All right, we're making progress. Let's keep going. I haven't used this old Ryobi in forever. I've got a cordless drill upstairs that I got a couple of years ago, but I think it still works. I'm charging up this battery. Both batteries are dead right now, and so I'm charging them up, and we'll see. Get rid of this old thing. Yikes. Look, and I know what this is. This is the case for that. So assuming that charges up and continues to work, I'll use this case to put that in, and if it doesn't work, then the whole thing goes in the trash. I've had this jacket since I purchased it, I think in like 1983 or 1984. It used to be my go-to jacket for running, in cool weather. Here's a couple of photos of me circa 1985 or so wearing this very jacket on a contraption I made to do a little ice surfing, if you will, with my windsurfing rig. It's kind of sad to see it go, but number one, I don't fit it in anymore, and number two, it's obviously got ripped and stuff like that. So we'll see, old friend. Well, okay, now that we've established somewhat of a beachhead and given ourselves a little bit of room to work, I'm going to start pulling stuff out one by one, seeing if it's useful, seeing if it's junk, and dealing with it accordingly. All right, like everything else, the question is, where do you start? And I think I'm just going to start here, work my way across, and go down here and get this stuff here. So let's start pulling that stuff out, See what we find.
This can go with my pink stuff. It looks like stuff that's a lot older than this house.
Now these are control panels to an LG refrigerator. I got 2 of them. Ordered some a while back during COVID, thinking that was the problem with the refrigerator that we were having. Turns out not to be the problem, so I'm going to put those back up on sale in eBay. This is an old Apple MacBook that is no longer good. Spilled some coffee on the keyboard. It was at the end of its life anyhow. I'm not going to get rid of it because there's stuff on the hard drive. I'll take that out and see if I can't remove the hard drive and shred it. It's been probably 6 or 7 years since I've used it, so obviously any information that's on there is nothing that I need. This stuff I don't need anymore. What else do we have down here? Got another laptop. Looks like I've transferred data out of here. 415, so that's 10 years old. Don't need that anymore. But again, I'm not just gonna put it out there for anybody to mine that hard drive for any information. I'm gonna pull that hard drive out, throw it through a shredder.
So that's gonna go with this. Don't need that anymore. Throw that out.
What else do we have here? We got, looks like an old Dyson. Probably something that was broken or not working, and I decided I was gonna fix it but never got around to it. Wow, look at that. It still works.
There. Got this. Let's see what we got.
All right, we got that cleaned out pretty good. Made ourselves some room for some other stuff. We'll move down here, and then we'll move over here and get this stuff here. Here, just some old awards. Put that back. Toolkit. Oh, this should be interesting. Looks like some old files. Okay, I got rid of a bunch of stuff there. Most of that was just garbage. I've got some old financial documents in there that I need to go through and shred. I'm not going to do that right now. Let's see what else we have here. A couple more cases with some old laptops in it. Seems like this guy has something in it, but obviously we are not going to just toss it out. It's going to have to go with the other ones. All right, looks like this is just full of some old comic books in here that I'll probably just get rid of. You know, I have this old container full of big nuts and bolts, and you know, I don't know when the last time I used this was, or you know, when I might use them again. But I do from time to time have the need for, you know, a big lag bolt or something that's not regular size. So I'm keeping that because that has come in handy over the years. I'm gonna put it on this side over here. We've accomplished quite a bit today. Got the top of that taken care of, and the rest of this. But I'm going to cut it off right here and make this project into a series of, you know, 2 or 3 videos, just to chop it up a little bit so that you, the viewer, don't have to decide whether you want to commit, I don't know, half hour, 40 minutes to a single video. If we can chop this up into 3 or 4 videos that are 10 or 15 minutes in length, I think that's probably going to be a little bit more digestible for a lot of folks. So that's what we're going to do. So if you want to see what we do with the rest of this, you're going to want to subscribe so you don't miss that episode when it drops, just probably in a couple of days. There's a lot more to do back here, as you can see. So subscribe, you know, give us a thumbs up if you liked what you saw, and feel free to comment. Let us know what you like, what you don't like, what you'd like to see. So thanks for watching. We still have a lot of work to do, and so we will see you in the next one.